Hello there, my name is John from blogsaboutfitness.com, and in this video I will be talking about resistance training for men. One of the best ways that you can gain muscle and become very fit is to do resistance training. To put it simply, resistance training is all about putting resistance on your muscles. This is typically done through weight training, but it can also be done with bodyweight exercises. In order for you to gain muscle, size and strength, you will need to do progressive resistance training. This is where you basically aim to increase the weight that you use every week. So for example, if you squat 100 pounds on your first week, you should aim to squat at least 105 pounds on your next week of training. It is important that you keep track of how much weight you lift on the various exercises that you do, since this will ensure your resistance training progresses over time. When you do progressive weight training, you will become stronger over time. As your strength increases, so too will your muscle size, and you will achieve that ripped and chiseled body that you want. However, in order for your muscles to grow, you will not only need to do weight training, but also eat to gain muscle. You should think of food as fuel. And protein in particular is essential for building muscle. Some of the best protein-rich foods include chicken breast, turkey, beef, fish, lamb, etc. And if you don't want to eat meat, then you'll need to eat foods such as legumes, beans, peas, soya, tofu, etc. You'll also need to eat carbohydrates that provide enough energy for you to work out. These include foods such as brown rice, potatoes, plantain, sweet potatoes, etc. Now, when you go to the gym to work out, it is essential that you train every body part. This means that you need to train your chest, your back, your shoulders, your legs, your calves and your abs. You can actually split your training routine so that you focus on a particular body part each day of the week, where there is one rest day at the end. For example, on Mondays you can train your chest, Tuesdays can be biceps and triceps, Wednesdays can be for shoulders, Thursdays could be for legs, Friday for abs, Saturdays for back, and Sunday's a rest day. Alternatively, you can do full body workouts 3 days in a week if you're just starting out. When you are working out, it is important that you do so with correct form. If you do weight training with incorrect form, this can lead to injuries and can cause serious health problems in the future. As a result, you should hire a personal trainer at least for a month so that they can show you the correct form when using the weights and the machines as well in the gym. This will ensure that you are safe, and it also keeps the other gym members safe as well. In summary, we have just looked at resistance training for men. Once you start weight training, it easily becomes a habit and the most enjoyable part of your day. So be sure to stick with it and you'll see results in time. I hope you enjoy the video and thank you so much for watching. If you would like more cool tips on fitness, please subscribe and check out blogsaboutfitness.com by clicking on the link below.